What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2012 Camry, and I believe it has the 2.5 in it right here. So what we're going to be doing is actually replacing the struts. I've already replaced the passenger side. We got to do the driver's side, and the reason I replaced the passenger side already is because we could not get the right strut for the driver's side. And just as a FYI to everybody, the SEs and LEs use different struts. One uses a taller bolt pattern for the knuckle, while the other one uses a smaller one. I do not know which one is which, but we do have the right one now. The customer did purchase their own parts, so they had to send it back and get the right ones. I'm not a fan of Master Pro struts personally. So in the link below, I will put up a link to better quality struts than the Master Pros. I mean, they do have a lifetime warranty, but they just tend to ride a little rougher to me, and they don't seem to last as long. But like I said, I will put a link to better quality struts along with the cheaper ones. If that's what you want to go with, that's up to you. But let me gather some tools and everything, and we'll get this strut changed. Alright, so we're under the car, or in the fender well, whatever you want to call it, and we are going to start by removing this sway bar end link right here. That is an 18mm on mine, and then we're going to remove this 12mm right here that houses the brake line and like the wheel speed sensor and stuff like that. There's that right there. Now we're going to take off this sway bar end link. And now we're going to take off these two big bolts and nuts right here. They are 22s, I think. Those are pretty tight, so I'll probably have to use the impact. There's one. Let's see if we can get this bottom one. We may have to tap this one out. There we go. Next step is to go up top and take off the 3 nuts that hold it in up here. So here are the 3 nuts right here. I think they are like 14s. Yes, these are 14mm. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take these off real quick, and then we'll go back underneath and slide the whole strut assembly out. Alright, now we got all of the bolts out on that. It was a little awkward getting it out due to the camera. So there it is right there. Here is the new one. And compare them. Make sure they look the same. Go ahead and pull this sticker off. Take the nuts off as well. We'll sit those up there. And now we want to try to put this thing back in. Alright, now we need to lift this and get the axle back in. And start the bottom one first. Sometimes the axle will pop out of the joint whenever you do this. So you just push on it a little bit. There we go. I'm going to use my ratchet to tighten these down because I don't want to over tighten them. I know it might sound stupid on a strut, but these right here, they need to compress this right there, so I just want to be careful. One. Now throw all this back on. No, a ½ inch is a little excessive than that, but as long as you don't over torque it, you should be fine. Now, the only other thing we have left to do is to put the sway bar inlet back in. See if we can get this to thread in without having to use this Allen portion. There we go. So that's pretty much putting a strut in one of these. Like I said, it doesn't take long. You can probably do both sides in an hour. Now there's supposed to be a clip that goes in right there for your wheel speed sensor, but his was broke. But I'm also going to see if I can get this boot to slide back over. There is a lip right here. I don't know if it shows up on camera very well, but it should go about right there, and it's throwing grease, so I don't know why it slid back. And also his toe is out because the steering wheel is at an angle, so I'm going to try to adjust that for him a little bit to straighten that up before he gets a full alignment. But this is going to end this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until next time, y'all have a great day.